Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the applications of nanomaterials. Applications of nanomaterials. As nanomaterial shows fascinating and useful properties, they have variety of application in diverse fields. Some of them are summarized below. Electronics. First application, electronic. Nowadays, nanocrystalline materials is used in electronic applications so as that its size decreased and efficiency is increased. As nanocrystallizing materials are of ultra high purity, better thermal conductivity and longer lasting. Now they are used in microprocessors. Okay. Nanocrystalline zinc selenides, ZNSC, zinc sulfide, ZNS, cadmium sulfide, CDS, synthesized by Sol-Gel method improves the resolution of television screens and computer monitors. They are used in high definition televisions. The flat panel displays of television and computer monitor are the result of nanomaterials. Okay. The next, energy fuel cells. Nanomaterials is used to reduce the cost of catalysis used in the fuel cells to produce hydrogen ion from fuels such as methanol, and it improves the efficiency of membranes used in the fuel cell. High energy density batteries. Conventional and rechargeable batteries are used in the almost all the applications such as cellular phones, toys, watches. The energy density, storage capacity of these batteries is low and requires frequent recharging. Nanocrystalline materials synthesized by Sol-Gel method used such as aerosol is used as a separator plates in batteries. Also, nickel metal hydrides, NiMH batteries made up of nanocrystalline nickel and metal hydride requires less frequent recharging and lasts for longer time. And metal hydride requires less frequency. Nanomaterials used in the solar cell which enhances its efficiency. Third, industry tougher and harder cutting tools. Cutting tool made by nanocrystalline materials such as tungsten carbide, titanium carbide and titanium carbide are much harder. Titanium and titanium carbide are much harder, much more wear resistance, erosion resistance and last longer. Nanomaterial used in the micro drills. Automobile with greater fuel efficiency. Automobiles waste significant amount of energy, particularly diesel engines. But nowadays, engine crystalline liner are in the cylinders liners are coated with the nanocrystalline ceramics such as zirconia and alumina, so that they retain heat and increases the efficiency, which results in complete and efficient combustion. Next, healthcare, medicine, long-lasting medical implants. Medical implants such as orthopedic implants and heart valve currently made up of nanocrystalline zirconium oxide ceramics because they are hardware resistant, biocompatible, corrosion resistant and last for long time. Nanocrystalline silicon carbide SiC is used for artificial heart valves because it is having low weight, high strength, extreme hardness. Nanocrystalline material is used in drug control release in cancer therapy. Next, food agricultural. Nanomaterial is now widely used in the food packaging, food processing, catalysis, also in food quality, safety analysis, sensors. Next, textile. Nanomaterial in the textile industry to produce special cloths with the wider application. These are used in the medical textile, technical textile textile, safe cleaning textile. Next, environment. Nowadays, nanomaterials are used as a catalyst in many reactions, due to which evolution of hazardous gases and chemical is decreased. These are used in a pollution scavengers, pollution monitoring sensors. Cosmetics. Nowadays, various types of creams and gels consist of nanomaterials such as zinc oxide and titanium oxide. Domestic application. Nanomaterial is used in various domestic applications such as air purifiers, air conditioners, water purifiers, refrigerators, window materials, etc. Okay. Next, high sensitive sensor. Various types of sensors are used in the diverse field. Nanomaterial zirconium oxide is used in carbon monoxide sensors. Nanomaterial used in smoke detectors as detectors on aircraft wings, automobile engine performance sensors. Next, nanomaterial are used in the aerospace components, longer lasting satellites, safe cleaning glasses of monitor cars, etc. Next, in future, nanomaterial will be used in a variety of fields such as quantum computers, mechanical system, optoelectro devices, environmental devices, nanoelectrical magnetic devices, etc. Carbon nanotubes, fullerene, graphene, such as nanomaterials can be used in diverse fields in future because they exhibit interesting amazing properties. Okay, in previous lecture we have discussed about introduction about that nanomaterials. In that point we will discuss about the broad applications. Okay, now here we have completed our topic nanomaterials. Okay, thank you.